Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. My vlog is all about introduction to Bureau. The Bureau of Corrections or Bucor is a government agency in the Philippines responsible for the custody, rehabilitation, and reformation of national inmates. It belongs to the Philippine criminal justice system under the Department of Justice (DOJ) and plays a critical role ensuring the safe and humane detention of prisoners as well as their preparation for eventual reintegration into society. So ang Bureau of Correction, ang Bureau daw po is responsible po siya sa mga responsible for the custody at rehabilitation ng ating mga national inmates. Ang Bucor is under po ng DOJ o Department of Justice and it plays a critical role in ensuring the safe of human detention of prisoners. Role and mandate. Bucor's legal mandate is rooted in various laws and regulations, including the revised penal code and the indeterminate sentence law. Its primary responsibilities include, so dito po pupasok yung custody, safekeeping and management of national prisons and inmates. Ito po binabantayan tsaka kung paano po minamanage yung mga ating mga inmates. Rehabilitation, providing programs and services aimed at reforming and rehabilitating inmates, reducing the likelihood of recidivism and preparing them for eventual release. Dito po parang nire-reshape po yung mga inmate natin mula sa mga mali ang nagawa nila para po sa paglabas nila para silang function and responsibilities. Bucor operates as an agency by performing several key functions: custody and security, ensuring the safe and secure detention of inmates in national prisons; reformation and rehabilitation, implementing programs designed to address the physical, emotional, and psychological needs of inmates with the goal of rehabilitation and reintegration into society. So ito po, reformation rehabilitation, nag-i-implement po yung gobyerno natin ng mga programs para po physical, emotional, psychological para po sa ating mga inmates with the goal of rehabilitation and reintegration into society. Re-entry support, providing support services to inmates nearing release including assistance with parole, pardon, or other forms of early release as well as preparing them for life outside prison. Highlight program. So under po nito yung mga highlighted program ng Bucor. Bucor offers various programs aimed at the rehabilitation and reformation of inmates including rehabilitation programs. This may include counseling, substance abuse treatment, and other therapeutic interventions designed to address the root causes of criminal behavior. Livelihood training, providing inmates with vocational skills and training to enable them to earn a living upon release, reducing the likelihood of recidivism. So, livelihood training, habang nasa loob po yung mga inmates, meron po silang vocational skills train para po sa paglaya nila, meron po silang skills na education and spiritual formation, offering educational programs including formal and informal education, as well as spiritual guidance and support to promote personal growth and development. Significance. Bucor is important in the Philippine correctional system for several reasons. Number one, custodial care. Bucor ensures the safe and humane detention of national inmates, upholding the rule of law and protecting society. Rehabilitation and reintegration. Through its programs and services, Bucor plays a critical role in preparing inmates for life after prison, reducing recidivism, and promoting the rehabilitation and reintegration of offenders into society. Lastly, contribution to public safety. By focusing on rehabilitation and reformation, Bucor contributes to public safety by reducing the likelihood of future criminal behavior and promoting community well-being. That's all and thank you.